Yeah. Okay, so is it me or is the weather being particularly indecisive? It's like hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Like, oh, if it helps nature, summer is around the corner. So I'm gonna opt for the warmer weather. But get your ish together. Okay? I mean, I don't know if I should like go outside and like tan and get some vitamin D and, or should I stay inside and have a bowl of soup? Speaking of soup, and yes, that's gonna be my segue. This bowl of soup, it is the ticket. Let me tell you. If you've experienced the magic that is cracked chicken, then you are going to love this cracked chicken soup recipe. Trust and believe. That being said, welcome to my kitchen. Now, I love crock pot recipes for the set it and forget it factor. There's nothing better than just kind of like dumping everything in the pot and just going. And then the results, 99% of the time, are amazing. So, let me show you the deliciousness. All right, so I have my slow cooker bowl here. And this is gonna be a 6-quart bowl. To this, we're going to add 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And then we're going to add our ranch seasoning. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried dill, 1 teaspoon of dried chives, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and of course, S&P to taste. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and use like one of the ranch seasoning packets. I opt to use my homemade ranch seasoning just because 1, I know what's in it, and 2, I believe those packets have sugar in it, and you know how that is on keto, all right? And then to this, we're going to add 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, and then I have 1 pound of bacon cooked and chopped. And then we're gonna add 3 cups of chicken broth. Now you can use any kind of broth. If you want to use vegetable broth, beef broth, pork broth, any kind of broth you want, go ahead and use that here. Perfect. Then we're just gonna cover and cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours. Alrighty, so our time is up. Now what we wanna do is remove the chicken, and then we're gonna go ahead and shred this. And then we're gonna go ahead and return the chicken to the slow cooker. And then to this, we're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And of course, if you want to use a different cheese, you definitely can use a different cheese here. And we're just gonna give that a good mix and just allow that to cook until the cheese is nice and melted. And there you go. You have a crock chicken soup deliciousness, perfect for the cold days. Unless you want it on a hot day, do your thing. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below if you have or haven't had cracked chicken before and if you're definitely gonna give this recipe a try. And what the heck, just comment what your weather is right now. Is it hot or is it cold? You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.